Welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about how to fix your posture in 5 moves. Like this: sit up straight, stop slouching and get your feet off that table. If those are familiar words constantly coming your way, then you, my friend, must be a sloucher. Well, it may not seem like a big deal now, but that bad posture will catch up with you sooner than you think, causing you major health problems later on. Now, how to correct? Correcting bad posture often feels like kicking a bad habit, and that's pretty much the case. If you have bad posture today, chances are you have been slouching that way for most of your life. What's really concerning is that this is an ever-growing problem in today's digital age. We are all constantly hunched over our phone, computer, and tablet glued to the screen. Now, you know your posture could use some improvement. Let's see what steps you can take to break this bad slouching habit. Number 1. Improve your flexibility. Just like any other part of your body, your back and shoulders depend on your muscles to hold them up so that they can function properly. A major cause of your slouching is the fact that you are constantly hunched over a desk all day and never take the time to develop the muscles that support a strong upper back and shoulders. Number 2. Strengthen your core. Just like how improving your flexibility helps your posture, so does strengthening your core muscles. Strong core muscles are essential for back health. If you have lower back problems, core exercises can do wonders. Number 3. Align your spine at night. Believe it or not, the way you sleep can also affect how you sit and stand when you are awake. Now, this doesn't mean you have to work out or in your sleep. You just need to start paying attention to your alignment as you lie in bed. Number 4. Adjust your wardrobe. Wearing heels to work every day. I know, I do. While you probably look great, your fashionable footwear could be wreaking havoc on your posture. Number 5. Adjust your workspace. Most people spend the majority of their time hunched over a desk, really getting up at all throughout the day. Well, we have to go to school or work, and both of those places typically require a lot of sitting. So now the conclusion is, sticking to these daily habits can be tricky, but if you keep with it, you will see an improvement in your posture and your overall health. Bad posture actually affects tons of aspects of your life. According to the UK's National Health Service, bad posture can cause permanent damage in your neck, upper and lower back, as well as your muscles. Aside from the physical effects, slouching can dictate how your social life is going. Assuming you are watching this video from a computer or phone or screen, take a moment and check how you are sitting. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to stay on the bright side of life.